welcome back to Pabbly. Come, I'll show you how this AI chatbot is going to work. So let's say I'm just going to type my question. Hey, do you offer eggless or vegan cakes? Once I'm just going to send this question within seconds, and in real time the AI chatbot is going to reply me and answer me. Yes, almost all of our cakes have eggless and vegan variants. If you have any specific flavor in mind, feel free to ask. Enjoy your day. So as you can see that this chatbot has replied me according to this FAQ which I have entered. So let's say we're going to take out the price of some cake. So let's say I'm going to ask for chocolate truffle cake. So I'm going to type chocolate truffle cake and I'm going to send this. So let's say it is sharing me the perfect price or not. So we just have to wait for a few seconds and you're going to see it is sharing me the price of the chocolate truffle cake is 799. So as you can see over here in the knowledge base, I've kept it as 799 only. Let's say I'm going to ask for this fresh fruit cake. I'm going to type fresh fruit cake and it is going to share me the pricing for the same. Also, it is clearly mentioning that this is the price for 1 kg. So yes, you can see that this is no magic. This is the power of AI chatbot which we are going to create in today's video. And yes, if you also want to create this AI chatbot for your own bakery using your own knowledge source, then watch this tutorial till the end. So now you have seen the proper working of this chatbot for bakery, but now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, I've opened the AI assistant of Pabbly Chatflow, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your AI assistant. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL and in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow, open your AI assistant and follow me. So first of all, you have to make sure that you add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. It is really important to add the WhatsApp number. And if you wish to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, we have a dedicated videos towards the same in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. It is very easy. And after adding the WhatsApp number, follow me. So this is the most important window while creating the chatbot. Alright, so as you can see, it is asking me for the AI instructions. So over here you have multiple options. First of all, we have this custom prompt. So if you wish to give custom instructions, you can enter a custom prompt over here and you can give custom instructions according to your own choice. But to help you, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent and so on. So if you wish, you can definitely select one from this also. I'm going to select it as AI agent over here. Now it is asking me for the instructions. So as you can see, the instructions have been added automatically. So if you wish, you can definitely add or delete some points, but if you don't wish, you can keep it as same and move on further. Now it is asking me for the temperature. So to enter this temperature, you must understand what is temperature. So temperature means how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So it depends upon you how you wish the AI answers to be. So I want the AI answers to be more focused, so I'm going to keep it as 0.2. For the API to use, I'm going to select it as OpenAI. Now it is asking me for the model, so I'm going to select it as GPT-4 Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now this is asking me for the API key, which is very important. So you have to open your OpenAI API key page. The hyperlink is provided over here. After you open this page, click on this create new secret key, enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key is created, so copy this key and paste it right over here and click on this connect, and your API key will be connected with Pabbly Connect. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a paid OpenAI account, then only you can connect this. Now it is asking me for the assistant settings, so we have multiple options: header message and footer message. So if you wish to add a header or a footer message, you can simply type it like this. The maximum characters are 60. Now we have this top keyword. So if you wish, you can definitely enter this top keywords too. You have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. Alright, so what is this top keyword? Over here you can enter the keywords to stop the AI assistant. Whenever user is going to type this keyword, the AI assistant is not going to reply to that user. Further, a manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. And after this top keywords, we have retry attempts, which you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. So I'm going to keep it as as 2. Now it is asking me for the fallback message. So over here you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So I'm going to keep the message as support@test.com. So as you can see that over here, this is the email address which I've entered. So let's say some user has some emergency, so they can contact me on email if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. Now let's move on to this knowledge source. So like I told you in the starting of this video that I have uploaded my bakery's knowledge source, and using this knowledge source only my AI assistant is replying me. So alright, how you can create this knowledge source and how you can upload this. So for that, open a blank Google document and collect the knowledge, or you can say add the knowledge unique to your business in that Google document. Include FAQs, company background, and many more things which your chatbot can utilize while answering the questions. So as you can see that I've already added the knowledge base of my bakery in this file, and now what I have to do is I have to download this. So go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. So both TXT and PDF formats are supported, but I'll suggest you go for TXT and download this in TXT format, because TXT is preferred because we don't have any limit for text files. But if you go for PDF that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you go for TXT, it is preferred. So go towards this choose a file, go on this downloads and upload the knowledge base which we have downloaded right over here, and you're going to see that over here you're going to receive this vector ID which is the proof of successful uploading. Now next which we have is this assistant interface. So you have to enter the heading name which is the name of your brand. Alright, so I'm going to enter the name of my brand, and once I enter the name right over here, it is going to be changed over here too. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish, you can definitely edit this. Now for the initial message, you have to type the initial message and then press enter, and it will be added. Now we have this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this, keep it as enable, otherwise disable right from here and it will disappear. Now which we have is this footer text. So you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. If you add the footer link, the text is going to be converted into a link, otherwise it will remain as plain text. Now we have this user first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep this message as hey. You can customize this according to your own choice. Next which we have is this styling. So here you can style this WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors and the profile pictures. It totally depends upon you how you wish your chatbot should look like. And after you complete this styling, your chatbot for bakery is ready. So switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant. After saving this AI assistant, you must be wondering how are we going to use it for our business. So for that you have to go towards this embedded. You're going to get this script. So add this script on your website, and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever your user is going to click on this button which is chat with us and click on this start chat, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this hey will be sent from your user to you, and further the AI assistant is going to reply them and solve their queries. Further what you can do is you can assign this chatbot to particular contacts. You can go towards this inbox. I'm just going to open this inbox in the new tab, and let's say I want to assign this AI chatbot to this contact. So I can switch on this choose AI assistant, and I'm going to select the AI assistant by clicking on this save. Now whenever this user is going to send me any message, the AI chatbot is going to reply. But let's say I want to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, then what I can do is I can go towards this settings and then inbox settings. After coming on this inbox settings, we have to scroll and enable this AI auto replies. Select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. And further, if you wish to learn how to create contact list, or if you wish to learn about any other feature of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. After setting the settings, click on this save, and automatically this is going to be saved. And with this, you have completed this chatbot for bakery. So now go try this amazing chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at forum@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.